Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to hide liked videos on TikTok. Your likes are automatically set as visible only to you. However, you may change this setting at any time. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can find this setting. Go to your TikTok profile tab and press on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, hit Privacy. Scroll down until you see the Who can view your liked videos section. Click on it. Here, the Only Me option should be selected in order to keep your liked videos private. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to hide liked videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.